All right, so we're back again today at North Rock Lanes again. I'm bowling a doubles tournament, this time with Team USA member Brandon Bonta. And today I only missed twice during my 3-game set. So you guys can comment down below and tell me where you think I'm gonna miss in this 3-game set. And maybe for bonus points, tell me what I leave. So a little 277 game 1 with my purple hammer reactive. I left that ugly bucket minus the back pin where I just threw it really bad, rolled it super up the back, however, and I talked a little bit with Brandon about how like that tends to be my miss when I'm throwing it this higher ball speed that I'm throwing it right now. When I throw it fast, sometimes I pull it down from the top. I don't give my hand enough time to get around the side of the ball, and I end up just rolling the ball pretty much end over end, and it doesn't have nearly the appropriate amount of hook. So I'm gonna focus on that the next couple games, really getting my hand in the right spot, even though that speed is high, making sure that I wait on it at the bottom and allow myself some time to get around the side of the ball. For those of you who guessed that I would leave the bucket minus the back pin, I think you guys lied and fast forwarded through the miss. But I still got one more miss left in the set. We'll see if it's this game or next game. And yeah, hopefully it's never, but I know I miss one more time. All right, so I told Brandon during the tournament, if I could throw more shots like that one, I would be such a better bowler. So adding that to the list of items to practice this week, number 1, figure out how to throw more shots like that one and less shots like this one coming up. Because the one coming up, well, you guys will see right now. Quick little break in the action. If you guys want, we are still giving away some of those balls and some of those sport pads from Genesis. So the 2 rules we got: subscribe to the channel and follow along to the end of the video for that second rule on how you can enter our 90,000 subscriber giveaway. And, you know, we keep running this number up to 100,000, so let's get there as quick as possible, and we'll be giving away a lot more cool stuff. So don't forget, click that subscribe button and stick along to the end of the video to find out how you can enter for our 90,000 subscriber giveaways.
And that is why practice is key.
Obviously got a little lucky there, popped a 300, however, threw a lot of really good shots and matched up. Again, got my hand in the right spot almost every single shot that game. The speed was good, the moves were good. However, I do feel like the lanes are getting a little bit tighter. So I gotta keep my eye out and keep my head thinking about when I am going to need to eventually move a little bit to the left like we talked about before I even started bowling. Gotta keep my eye out for when they're gonna get tight enough where I will have to move, and hopefully it's never. But again, one more chance, guess what you think I leave this game, because I still have that one miss left, and what frame you think I'm gonna leave it in. So go ahead, comment down below, and now game 3 coming up. All right, so the crazy thing is, right before I left that 10 pin, right after I came off of that last shot on the left lane, I was like, you know what? They seem like I threw it really good on that last one. It just was a little tight. However, I have like 23 strikes in a row, 22 strikes in a row, so I'm only gonna need one more shot on that lane. So I don't know if I'm gonna need to move. So I didn't move, even after thinking to myself, you should move one left. Lesson learned, if you think you should move, move. Lesson for you guys. If you're thinking about moving, move. And then regret nothing later. So here we go, 10th frame coming up. Currently got 279 off the sheet, and let's see if I can get it. Great set for me, 856. Brandon struggled with carry a ridiculous amount the first game, and then again the last game, as you saw. So we didn't take over the lead. However, we did end up finishing 10th in the tournament, which was a really good set. That 856 for me put me in 2nd overall for handicap and 1st overall for scratch. So it was really cool to turn 570 and then go again with the front 8 the next game. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for following along. And as always, to keep following along on the journey, don't forget, click that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. And if you guys want to enter those giveaways that we gave away at 90,000. We're still giving away some balls. We're still giving away some chamois. There's a form down below in the description that you guys can click to enter those giveaways. So don't forget, click that form down below and become a subscriber of the channel to follow along in the journey that is my professional bowling career.